Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Netflix experience on PC. So if you watch Netflix using your computer like me, you can easily customize your experience, and here is how we are going to do it. First, just open the Netflix application and then go to your profile. And in here to modify or customize the Netflix experience, you can just go to the settings by clicking on this your photo and go to the account. And in here, you can just scroll down and tap on this edit settings. Okay, now here what you can do on the Netflix PC, you can change the language, of course. You can edit the viewing restriction. You can edit the subtitle appearance. Let's customize the way the subtitle appear. You can click on it, and this is the default settings on my Netflix. You can change the font in here. For example, I'm going to change it into print. Here you can also add shadow and change the color of the text, just like this. And if you want to save it, you can just tap on save. And you can go back to the settings again. If you want to customize the others, you can set autoplay. You can also here you can reduce motion transition if you want to by click enabling this. And you can also manage the viewing history and ratings. For example, you want to delete a certain viewing history, you can just click on this to hide a movies or show from your watch history. So that's how you can customize your Netflix experience on PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks.